Tool rules.
Tool rules. Okay, so if you borrow a tool, bring it back. Put it back to where you got it. Make sure it's fucking clean too, because there's nothing worse than grabbing into a wrench that's all greasy. Clean that son of a bitch. I clean it before I put it in there, so do that. My tools in the shop that I use today, anybody can use my tools. I bought these tools, I use them every day. The shop can use them every day. If the tool's there, use it. Makes life easier. Outside the shop, I'll lend tools to certain friends or certain people I know. Sometimes I'll loan them out with a deposit. As long as I get it back and it's still working, I'm cool. Automatically vetoed from borrowing my tools would be people I don't trust. I can always tell when somebody's been in my toolbox because wrenches are greasy, stuff's moved around. I always take a picture of what my toolbox looks like. I know what it is. When I open it, I can tell when stuff's been moved. I know somebody's been there. Stuff's missing. A good tool rule would be not to over tighten your fasteners that you're tightening. A tool rule: pull that tool to you. Don't push it away from you. If you push it away from you and that tool breaks loose, you're gonna punch whatever you're going at. If you're pulling it at you, you can stop that from happening.
Why do you keep insisting that you need a new toolbox?
Well, you gotta have the right tool for the right job. And there's millions of tools that you have to have
Oh, okay.
to complete that job. You can never have enough tools.
More tools than you can find space for. That is...
That's where the toolboxes come in.
Tools should actually go back in their toolbox or have a place in their toolbox.
A lot of tools, sometimes they need to get out and explore.
So I'm going to put a sign. I'm going to put a sign up on the free tool. Everyone can use Steve's tool.
Yeah, leave a
Just
deposit.
come on in and just pick through and pick the ones you want to borrow.